So here is my 2009 Chrysler Sebring, and I already got the tire out. To get to this pulley, you have to get the tire. It took me a good while to figure out how to mount this belt because it doesn't come with a tensioner. So what you will do is, let me get on there, get a zip tie like the one I got up way up right there. What you're gonna do is first mount it on the crank side, then from the bottom part of the power steering pulley on one of these holes you zip tie it, the belt with the pulley. Then using a 13/16 socket and a wrench and a ratchet, you're gonna get on the crankshaft pulley, and then slowly you're gonna turn it clockwise while holding up to the belt with your finger right here. You're gonna turn the crankshaft until it mounted on completely all the way. Like that. And be careful when you're doing so, because it will be kind of tight and your ratchet might come off and hit you in the face. So don't get under it, because trust me, it happened to me and it's not pretty. But there you go, the belt is mounted all the way. There's no tensioner whatsoever, but the belt will automatically get tight. Thank you. I know the video quality is not the greatest, but hopefully this will help you guys out.